Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the latest and greatest construction site here, right next to Thailand. I can't believe it. They finally do something with this land, but the problem is, everyone who's staying in the Thailand in the future is going to be pretty loud, probably.
But
yeah.
you can solve every problem in this world when you have bazooka.
This is a new thing, guys. Marcus, his biceps. You gotta be. Someone said something about your two watches again.
Again?
Can you explain yourself?
Yeah, one is a fitness tracker and the other one is Casio. You see, Casio and Apple.
Yeah. So this is his fitness tracker. He's a fitness model. Don't you see his biceps? He has to track everything, so the biceps stays big. You know. So that's why he also. So he wants to have the biceps needs to be similar. So if he wears one watch on the one hand only, this one hand will be trained more. That's why you need two watches to train simultaneously.
Exactly. But also my biceps are uneven because my right hand is just the hand I'm using.
Okay. What is this? That's so cool. Check this out, guys. Bone. There's a room available up there. Those are the little shady rooms. Would probably still be cheap. Meme. They still did not do anything with this building. Was it that? Yeah, that was the building.
Yeah.
Marcus and I wanted to rent this building, but they don't want to rent out.
Maybe they just want to sell.
Maybe, yeah. Oh, look at this. That's also new. And a tattoo shop. It's so crazy. They just split the Good Mart in half and made a tattoo studio next to it. Get double rent, guys. It's a new thing here in Da Nang. Get double or triple rent on your place. Some places also have rent in the morning and rent in the evening. But yeah, the construction is still very strong. You hear it everywhere. I really hope this building is getting finished soon. But now I hear some construction over there as well. Look at this, Marcus. Look at this. The protein places, they know him.
Yeah.
At the protein places, they know you, huh? All right.
Yeah, but this is the girl who shot my glasses.
Who broke your glasses? Yeah. Oh my God. Marcus had a pickleball accident while a 1.60 meter woman pickleballed him, broke his glasses with a pickleball ball. And you're even playing in the same team. You gotta be careful, man. Vietnamese women are bloody dangerous.
Yeah, but she insulted me afterwards.
She insulted you?
Yeah, because she said, yeah, you're not that small.
Ah,
So she meant because of
she called you fat?
Like, because I'm so big.
Oh my God. It's the biceps maybe, you know? I think it's the biceps, bro. Cut Talk Hair Salon. Where is this? I think it's on the top. Huh. I also have my new Essex on. Shout out to David. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that I have good friends that bring me things from outside I cannot get in the country. Yesterday I checked at the new mall. The biggest size they have is 47. Keep that in mind, okay?
Now they're starting with the base.
Wow. I think this is gonna be bigger than I thought. That's what she said. I think it's gonna be a high rise.
It's what he said or she said?
She said, man. Bro, what the fuck? Yeah, it seems like they're gonna build something pretty high up there. I also saw a comment about the grill skewer place. I tried it out before. It was good, but I haven't done it since it was viral. It's over there right now. They were standing here. And when they went super viral then it was like impossible to get a sandwich, a banh mi. I'm not sure if it's a banh mi or if you call it a sandwich because it's so big and not really authentic, like what the ingredients, but it's super delicious, I have to say that. It's just a lot of grilled meat and cheese. Grilled meat and cheese in a banh mi, so yeah. Wow, there's absolutely no wave going on. It feels like a lake in Bavaria. Yeah. It's a little bit cloudy today, which is very nice. I really like that. But yeah. Very calm sea today. Zero surfing going on. So the surfers are just relaxing here, I guess. With this, you could easily paddleboard here, to be honest. Maybe that's the call right now. Wow. I guess you can also go in the water everywhere you want now. Marcus, it's very calm now. You can go swim.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They're already almost demolished.
Almost, yeah. That's crazy. Wow. I think it's maybe one more month. It was a big building though. I really hope they finish this soon. But yeah, I feel like sometimes it feels like they're maybe slow because of money. I'm not 100% sure. Huh. You need to walk in the shade. I'm getting wet here. Ah! I think this mechanism with the water is cooling down everything.
Team building again, right?
I would like to open a company just to do team building events to annoy my people. Let's make a fool out of them on the sand and everyone can watch. But yeah, somehow if you walk around this time now, you'd think this is absolutely dead. Right? There's no tourism going on, but it's just different tourists right now. So it's more Asian tourist season, I guess, and locals, of course, all around from Vietnam. I'm not sure. I have to check out the rates on Agoda, how the hotels are doing right now. But it looks very peaceful. Yeah. The only thing would be if you have more shade. That would be nicer to walk around.
More palms here.
Yeah.
He's starting with the paragliding.
Oh yeah. Oh, and look at this. They have a drone over there too. I guess they have a flying permit. So you can actually have a drone shot while you're flying around there. Wow.
It's good.
What time is it right now?
10.
10 o'clock? 10 a.m.
10 a.m.
All right, it's 10 a.m. guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video what I did and see you on the next walk.